Hello lovelies, thank you for joining me again on my channel. Today I wanted to discuss how we can keep our jewelry looking sparkling and dazzling. And I was doing some research and found that the best way to keep your jewelry clean is actually with an ultrasonic cleaner. And when you go to a jewelry store like Tiffany or Cartier, they also have a professional grade jewelry cleaner that they will use to help you clean your jewelry. But after doing some more digging and searching whether certain jewelry are safe enough to be used with the ultrasonic cleaner, I found that it's actually not the case, especially if you have a lot of different types of jewelry such as pearls or using precious stones like emeralds or sapphires, precious minerals such as onyx, malachite. These all require much more specific ways of cleaning, and actually the ultrasonic cleaner could actually do more harm than good. So I did some research, and according to the GIA website, they actually have a site on how to use ultrasonic cleaners to clean your gems. So just to share with you what I found, it says ultrasonic cleaners can restore the beauty of your bejeweled treasures. These machines, they generate high frequency sound waves that travel through water or a cleaning solution, creating heat and pressure. Ultrasonic machines can effectively clean jewelry by dislodging dirt and debris from behind gems and other hard-to-reach places. So you've got your Cartier cleaning kit. So maybe you'll have something like this, and it comes with the cleaning spray. Here we go, and lovely jewelry buffing cloth, and gentle soft toothbrush to help you clean. But there are going to be areas of your jewelry that are hard to get reach and rinse and clean out. So that's where the ultrasonic waves can help push and shake those dirt and oils and debris out of your jewelry to keep it more clean and sparkling. But do remember this, that even though ultrasonic cleaners are very good at cleaning, they do not disinfect. So if you're doing this because you want it to be germ-free and virus-free, well then ultrasonic cleaners on its own will not disinfect and kill bacteria and viruses. You'll need another type of cleaner that can actually do that, adding UV light. And the UV light itself is able to disinfect and rid viruses and bacteria. Actually, I bought an ultrasonic cleaner, here you can see, from Amazon, and it was really cheap. I think I paid less than $30 US, and it seems to work fine. I like to use it for my glasses because I wear glasses, and whenever I go to my lens crafters or optical shop, they always clean my glasses with their ultrasonic cleaner. And so apart from using it for my glasses, I thought, well, why don't I put all my jewelry in? But you need to be careful because especially okay, for example, diamonds. They're supposed to be the hardest stones on earth, right? And they should be able to withstand ultrasonic waves. But the fact is, if your diamond has any, what do they call it, like occlusions or gaps or cracks, and maybe it was filled by your jeweler with a certain resin, the ultrasonic effect of cleaning that particular stone will actually cause very, very minute vibrations to the point where the crack may actually become bigger and actually may cause more visible cracks in the diamond. So this is where you need to be careful. So I have, like this necklace from Cartier. It has a solitaire teeny tiny diamond. I trust it's good quality, and I hope it doesn't have any cracks, but I can't be sure because this diamond doesn't come with a certificate. So I don't know what's going on in this diamond. And so as I clean my necklace in the ultrasonic cleaner, I'm wondering am I actually doing more harm than good to my necklace? This is what the GIA says. Don't use an ultrasonic to clean gemstones that have surface-reaching breaks. So if you can see those breaks in the surface, that's a big no-no, and that have been filled. So some of these gemstones can be filled. Like I said, diamonds, for example, can be fractured filled with a lead glass-like substance, so you might not even be visible to your eye. Emerald fractures are commonly filled with oil, resin, or wax, and the goal of these treatments is to improve apparent clarity. However, these types of treatment are not permanent and can be damaged or removed. Other gemstones may be similarly treated, so be careful of this possibility with your own gemstones. Don't use ultrasonic to clean organic gem materials. These are porous materials and should never be cleaned using an ultrasonic machine because they can be damaged by the heat of an ultrasonic cleaner and the chemicals in most cleaning solutions. Pearls, coral, tortoise shell, ivory, shell cameos, jet and amber should not be put in an ultrasonic cleaner. And then don't use ultrasonic machine if the gems have been impregnated or coated with oil, plastic or wax. These treatments are often used on gems such as emerald, lapis lazuli, malachite and opal. So if you have, like the Cartier has this particular one called the Amulet, and it has onyx, opal, mother of pearl, all these materials are definitely not safe for the ultrasonic cleaner. There are many gems that are susceptible to heat and temperature changes and should not be cleaned in an ultrasonic regardless of whether they are treated or untreated. So in that case, maybe it's just better to, bear with your cleaning spray and your buffing towel and your toothbrush and just do the manual labor yourself, because that's probably the safest way to take care of your jewelry. Maybe even your dish detergent soap is probably good enough because it helps you remove that grease. Maybe you're putting lotions on or soap residue, and that can help just get rid of that film that's coating your jewelry. So other things that you need to remember: if you have tanzanite, feldspar like sunstone and moonstone, fluorite, iolite, kunzite, lapis lazuli, malachite, opal, topaz, turquoise, zircon, and others. So whenever you're in doubt on whatever gemstone you have, just go online and check to make sure it's safe. And I think just to err on the side of caution, even if diamonds are not really 100% safe, unless you know your diamond has not been filled or cracked, then the ultrasonic cleaner can help you. Otherwise, I think it's just safe to just use it for pure gold jewelry, silver, platinum, just pure metals that won't be affected by the ultrasonic waves. One more thing to note is a lot of the ultrasonic cleaners come with a stainless steel base. I would definitely get one that has a plastic basket, because the basket somehow buffers the jewelry from shaking and scratching on the base of the ultrasonic cleaner. Sometimes I even worry if the plastic itself could scratch my gold jewelry. So I guess, if you're in doubt, maybe put like a piece of cloth underneath to give it a nice cushion so that it doesn't give you extra scratches that are absolutely not necessary. One more thing, especially if you have diamond rings that are set and maybe, for example, are held like this. So I have this beautiful sapphire ring that my mother gave me, and it's these are the clasp areas where the sapphire is held. The fact that you use an ultrasonic cleaner could actually cause so many tiny vibrations that eventually through time it will loosen the grasp of these clasps onto the stone. So these are another thing to be aware of. I think occasional cleaning is okay, but if you're doing this like on a daily basis, probably not a great idea. So yeah, I've become a little more cautious when I use my ultrasonic cleaners. Definitely just using it on my gold jewelry. And even, for example, a Cartier wedding band, which has 3 brilliant cut diamonds that are embedded in the ring. I'm also concerned whether the vibration of the ultrasonic cleaner will, loosen these stones. So nobody can really be sure. Just be careful if you do use it, and always check your jewelry from time to time. Inspect it, get it cleaned professionally or inspected professionally by your jeweler, just to make sure you don't lose your precious items. So I hope this video was useful for you and gives you an idea of ultrasonic cleaning and the benefits of cleaning your jewelry or not. Please give me a like for this video and do subscribe to my channel. See you next time.